talk, little walls, simple minds want it all. Take it off, 5 o'clock. What come the rocks? What come the rocks? Dirty socks, kitchen sink, bring it on. Drink a drink, drink it off, take it off, take it off, take it off. Rhythm and blues, sipping on gin and juice.
Welcome to Saf's Glam Beauty. You guys are up for a treat today because we are making some lotion bars, okay? It's not just any ordinary lotion bar, it's a massage spa lotion bar, okay? So stay tuned, relax, grab a popcorn, and let's jump right into it. Now, to start off, I'm gonna be using this heat-safe container. Today, I'm gonna be putting my butter and stuff in the microwave. I'm gonna keep a close eyes on it because I'm tired. I don't wanna do the double boiler method today, so nah. For a start, I'm gonna be using some yellow beeswax. I'm gonna be pouring it in here, like so. Some Candelilla wax. I'll put the name on the screen just in case if I mispronounce it. So I'm gonna be pouring it in here. Our next product will be some mango butter. And I'm gonna be adding some shea butter, okay? Last but not least, I'm gonna be adding my vitamin E oil and my apricot oil. So this is how we're looking. I'm gonna be using 3 essential oils. I'm gonna be using some rosemary, some lavender, and some tea tree. This is a massage bar. I want it very soothing and calm, like relaxing and all of that. And I am gonna be taking some rose petals. I just use my fingers rather, and just ground it up nicely. And then I'm gonna be putting it in my molds just for aesthetics, okay? After 1 minute in the microwave, the beeswax and butter it just got warm a little bit. So we're gonna be putting it back. I just wanna show you the process. I'm not using these 3 up here. I'm gonna be using these 3 down here. As you can see, it has the massage looking thing underneath. That's why I love it. After another 1 minute, this is how we're looking. That was fast. I at least expected it to like go like so, but I'm gonna put it in for another 30 seconds. Now I'm gonna take the temperature of my oil and butters to see how far. It's really, really hot. I'm gonna wait a little bit before adding my oil in it, my essential oils. So while I'm waiting for my oil to cool down a little bit, I'm gonna start by propping my mold like so, okay? I'm gonna be putting a little bit of these in here. I don't know if you can see it, but it looks so pretty and nice.
Party in the box. Night is young, we are not feeling something. Feeling us too, just like rhythm and blues. Feeling us too, just like rhythm and blues. Straight out of her comfort zone, yeah. Daddy, mama got it going on. Actions, explicit content, yeah. Doing what we wanna all night long. Look on the rocks, look on the rocks, look on the rocks, look on the rocks. Party in the box, just like rhythm and blues.
I need to add a little bit of my oils in here just to make sure that my rose stays in place.
Pillow talk, little walls, simple minds want it all. Take it off, 5 o'clock. What come the rocks? What come the rocks? Dirty socks, kitchen sink, bring it on. Drink a drink it off, take it off, take it off, take it off. Rhythm and blues, sipping on gin and juice. Drinking, 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 drinking. Straight out her comfort zone, yeah. Daddy, mama got it going on. Hatches up, explicit content, yeah. Doing what we wanna all night long. Video from red button, kids are gone, lights are on now. Party in the box. Party in the box. 90s young, we are not.
This is what we're working with. Our product have solidified, and I'm gonna be demolding these, okay? So I'm just stretching it up like so, and I'm gonna be popping it out. Ooh. I don't know if it's focusing, but it looks very lovely. Like it's just ready to fall out. Oh my God, the rose is just piled up like that. I'm liking it. Okay, yes. Look like so. Beautiful bars. I'm gonna get the next one on board. Scratch it like so. Like I've used this mold before on my soaps, so I'm not shocked. Like I'm not so surprised. I know how the mold works, so it's not that I'm not excited. I am, but I don't see the need to be screaming and shouting like the way I always do in my other video. Man, these are cute. I just like the way the bars now are so big and all over the place. That's one thing I'm liking. Oh my God, I really do like it. Oh, do you see this? Like this, so adorable. Okay. Bomb, baby. Okay. Let's get the other one. I'm actually like, I guess it'll just pop out now at this point, okay? Just like I said, oh my God, I'm so happy. I was worried about this one because I didn't want to just break it again because I broke the first and the second one, so I had to remelt this and do it over. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful. Oh my God, I'm excited. I'm really, really excited for this. Like, I just like how the bar isn't that big. Like, you can control it easily. Oh my God. Butter. It looks stunning. Oh. Wow. And it smells so good, it's not even funny. Okay? So I'm gonna be using this tin. I actually bought these for my candles, but right now I don't have anything to put my my lotion bar in, so I'm gonna be using this like so. I don't know, like you can see that it's big, but we will be hanging in there. The peekaboo lid, like, it is everything, okay?
Expressive content, yeah. Doing what we wanna all night long. Pillow talk, glitter wall, simple minds want it all. Take it off, 5 o'clock. What come the rocks? What come the rocks? Dirty socks, kitchen sink, bring it on. Drink a drink, drink it off, take it off, take it off, take it off. Rhythm and blues, sipping on gin and juice. Drinking, 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 drinking. Ah. Straight out of her comfort zone, yeah. Daddy, mama, got it going on.
Anyways, guys, that's all I have for this video. Like, I really appreciate all of you. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Party in the box. Party in the box. Night is young, we are not feeling some, feeling something. Feeling us too. Just like rhythm and blues. Drinking, 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 drinking. Feeling us too, just like rhythm and blues. Straight out of her comfort zone, yeah. Daddy, mama, got it going on. Actions express